Hi, good morning to all of you. Uh, the topic of the discussion comes out to be, before that, I will like to introduce myself. I'm Academic Head of CLAD Tutor. We have operations in Bangalore. And the topic to be discussed today is the first tri-service missile. So first, let me give you a brief idea about what tri-service comes out with. Tri-service, a body has been designed that where you will figure out that Air Force, Army, Navy will be reporting to one common body that is being headed by the Vipin Rawat sir. Now this body has inducted first missile into the system. So that means this is the first uh, uh, missile which has been inducted through this process. So till now, Indian Air Force used to have their own induction program, Army used to have their own, Navy used to have their own, but now this is the first one through the tri-service process. Okay, so the missile name comes out to be medium range surface to air missile. So these are the some of the important points which you should know pertaining to the missile. Okay, this has approximately 70-kilometer range. So this is primarily for the Army and the Navy, Army and the Air Force. The reason behind this comes out with that this has different capability, and Navy requires a different capability of this missile, and that has been tweaked based on their need. This has been developed by the DRDO and Israel Aerospace Industries. So for these missiles, we have been having these tie-up with this Israel. In fact, if you go back sometimes back when we had the Balakot attack and some of the attack we have done, in that case, we have taken assistance from the Israel for the Spice missiles and other things. Fine. So Israel has been a very strategic defense tie-up. It has also provided some of the satellite images in terms of the some of the small wars we have experienced with the Pakistan. Fine. So Israel definitely comes out an important defense partner for India. This has been manufactured in Hyderabad. The company name comes out a Kalyani Rafale Advanced System. Fine. And the shipborne, that means the Navy is going to use the different version of this missile that is called LRSAM, Long Range Surface to Air Missile. Okay. And this combat missile system will be, that means this will be made compatible for the use by the Bharat Dynamics Limited. This is the POC of Government of India. Now, how this complete setup is that Kalyani Static System has 51%, Rafale Advanced System has 49% stakes in this complete process. Fine. So these are some of the important bullet point which you should know about this missile system. And before you look forward to any of the further to this, I can just add you that government has, or basically defense system has, our defense has having so much of faith in this that before the trial also we have put this into the war mode when we were having this Uri attack events taking place by the Indian Army. So before this testing also we have planted over there in case of there comes out retaliation from the Pakistan takes place. We have put on the front. Fine. So this much of trust our complete R&D team has on this missile system. Thank you so much. Further to this, if you have any query, you can write to us on hello@cladtutor.com. In case if you think that this has added value to your knowledge base, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and provide feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Good day. Remain safe.